planned in this video. I'm gonna try something new because I'm only gonna explain well the differences that I hear in trying to replace this Sony DN1080 with the Focal EVO SIB Atmos up-firing speakers, harman kardon left and right, surround speaker, center speaker and sub. And if the LG DSN11RG could be the one that replaces all this. Coming up after the intro. So why do I create this video? Well, I want to have a smaller footprint and I want to see if a soundbar could be replacing all this, because the soundbar looks nice. And if it also sounds as nice as it looks, then not only me, but especially my girlfriend will be happy. So I did a lot of digging around, reading reviews, trying to find YouTube videos about it. Most of the YouTube videos is comparing this soundbar with that soundbar. But I want to see if a soundbar could be a replacement of a home theater system. Long story short, no. Not the LG DSN11RG is not capable of replacing this. Why? Well, I think the best way I can explain is, well, my girlfriend wants to get rid of this, you know, and have a more aesthetic pleasing soundbar. So we sit down, we watched a few movie samples, music samples, you know, Dolby Atmos like Amaze and all those things. We watched it and I said, okay, your opinion, do you think that the LG, and yes, I did the calibration, I did some tweaking to make it sound as best as I could, because I really want to do this. Otherwise, why should I buy it to try to replace it? Well, long story shorter, she said, no, it's not even close. And really, that is the truth. The LG is not even getting close to this okay system. It's not top end, you know, it's not the most expensive amp, it's not the expensive speakers system that they have, but if I compare that with the LG, nowhere near this. So next day the LG went away and I'm still looking forward. So if you have some tips for me, place links in the description below, and or whatever, do something, because the only option that I have is the Samsung Q950T or A, which is coming out in the near future, maybe within this month or next month. I had some hopeful reviews, but it lacks something that I really like, and that is the Chromecast, you know, just from your phone or tablet, you know, send it to your home theater system, which this one can do. Sure, you can send it to your television, and your television will start the amp and so on and so on. But it's just a functionality that is lacking with the old system and also with the new system. I'm an Android guy, and I believe that AirPlay 2 is in the new Samsung version, but I like to have Chromecast. How hard can it be? But if the sound in the end would get, it doesn't have to be on par, but let's say Sony, LG, my hands are too short. If the Samsung would get into close to that, then I would say, okay, I will take that loss, that little loss, and set up a soundbar. Well, that's what I want to talk to you about. So another thing, if you don't have any home theater system or soundbar, do I recommend the LG? Probably yes, because I think it's a huge upgrade if you would listen only to your TV. It's easy to set up, it's pleasing to the eyes, it has a ton of options, so that's why I thought it's so compelling. You know, it has a 7.1.4, so it has two up-firing speakers. So I was also hoping, can I get more Atmos out of that system, which wasn't the case, but so it has a lot for it going for it. So can I recommend that in general? I would say yes. But if you have a, well, say more or less the same home cinema center like I have in my living room, can you replace it with the LG? If sound is one thing that you want and it needs to be a decent quality, no, it's not. But maybe the next time when I do the Samsung, I'm saying, oh yeah, this is it. But we have to see in the future. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it, because for now I think I will stick with the system. Well, catch you in the next one. And if you have questions, let me know in the comments below. Bye.